Next, we move on to specification number 14, which asks us to explain that the cholera bacterium produces a toxin. This toxin causes the secretion of chloride ions into the small intestine, which draws water into the gut through osmosis. As a result, it leads to severe diarrhea, dehydration, and the loss of essential ions from the blood. When Vibrio cholerae is ingested through contaminated food or water and reaches the small intestine, it causes diarrhea through a series of steps. First, the bacteria attach to the lining of the small intestine. They then release a toxin, which causes the intestinal cells to pump chloride ions into the lumen of the intestine. As the concentration of chloride ions increases in the lumen, the water concentration there decreases. Water then moves out of the intestinal cells into the lumen by osmosis, leading to the loss of large amounts of water as watery diarrhea. This process depletes the body of both water and chloride ions, resulting in severe dehydration. As shown in this diagram, the mechanism of cholera infection begins when the bacterium is swallowed in contaminated water or food. The bacteria reach the small intestine and attach to its lining, where they release a toxin. This toxin causes the intestinal cells to pump large amounts of chloride ions into the lumen of the small intestine. As the concentration of chloride ions increases, the water potential in the lumen drops. Water then moves out of the intestinal cells by osmosis into the lumen to balance the water potential, resulting in a large flow of water into the intestine and producing profuse, watery diarrhea. Consequently, the body loses significant amounts of water and essential ions, leading to severe dehydration.